Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be going over the Facebook page like box. The Facebook like box allows you to easily link a Facebook page to your website and allow users to like that page and follow you directly from your website. So in order for this to work, this means you have to have created a page on Facebook. You can do that from facebook.com, and once you've logged into your profile and created a page, simply copy the URL at the very top, and then you would go to our platform and go to the site you wish to add the box to. Simply click Add a Widget, and it's located down here near the bottom. Once you've added this, it's going to ask for the URL for the page. Simply paste that right there. And you can see here on our right, this is our lawyer site, kind of for demonstration purposes. If we were to scroll all the way down at the bottom, you'll see there's nothing there. That's because we haven't saved it yet. But you'll notice once we save this, and when we scroll all the way down to the bottom again, you can see it has added our Facebook page right there. Users can easily click that button right there in order to like the page, and that'll increase your likes and help expand your reach. You can show different tabs right over here. So if you had anything like recently on your timeline, or messages that you wanted to display off, or even recent events. We don't have any events coming up, but if you were to click that and add that, you can see it'll add the tab right there. It says we do not have any upcoming events. You can also even do faces of people that are fans of the page. You can show a little small box of faces, even a smaller header. So if you see here how large this is and the like button is down below, if we were to save this and get rid of the events and scroll all the way down, you can see it's a lot smaller now. So all the additional options are pretty much all the same as all the other widgets. You can require whether it's logged in, whether or not it is visible only on mobile or desktop, and the additional styles are very similar as well. You can determine the space that it takes up on the desktop, the margins. You can add custom class if you know CSS, and even change the background. We have solid colors, images, even videos. And you can change animation styles. So the Facebook like box is very easy to use. Simply create the widget. You can add titles if you want up here, and then paste the URL of your page, and you're all ready to go.